I'm like all about bling 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 bling. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an Apple Watch unboxing, and oh my gosh, I'm so glad that I got this. I did get this on Amazon Prime Day, so I saved so much money, so I'm so happy that I was able to get this. Like, I am so thankful that I have this, like finally. Like, I've been wanting this for the longest. Comment down below if you guys have an Apple Watch. What is your favorite feature on the watch? I haven't done too much research on it, but all I know is that I really want to use it for working out, and yeah, mainly for working out. So this is the packaging of it, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of an ASMR moment when I open this up, like how I did on my iPhone 11 unboxing, which I'll leave in the description box down below, so you guys can go watch that video if you haven't already. So open it like this. Ooh. Okay, so this is the first part, and the second part is right underneath. But this is how the box looks. This looks so different. I like how Apple did this. And this part. And this is how the watch band looks. Did get the midnight sports band, and there's two different sizes, so most likely I'm going to have this size because I do have a very tiny wrist. Actually, it's gonna be on this hand, my left hand. Okay, the face is right here, and let me just take this out first so I do not drop it, because that would be horrible if I do drop it. And I'm gonna leave that on the side real quick. But it does come with a cord. I wish it came with a charger box, because you know, I think this one is a different like a different charger box, like a different USB port on it. Yeah, it does have a different USB port. So most likely I'm going to be having to charge my Apple Watch on my laptop instead of using a box as of right now, since I do not have one for this type. I think this is called a USB-C. Like the average length, like how the other chargers come in with the Apple phones. Look at this, it's so tiny. Like, it's literally so tiny. Wow, this is so cute. And before I even turn it on, I really want to put some screen protectors on this. So I did get this from Amazon, and these exact ones are about $8 for 6 or 3 of them. I don't remember, but everything that I'm mentioning in this video will be listed down below for you guys, just in case if you guys want to get them. But actually, let me open this real quick. I'm using my handy dandy cloud cutting scissors. You think it's just an average cloud, but no, this actually cuts mail only. It comes with this, but I don't know what this is exactly for. I think it's supposed to be like this underneath, so I don't scratch it underneath the Apple Watch. Comes with plenty of them, so I believe this is like 8 of the screen protectors. But I'll talk to you guys when I'm done putting it on, because I really need to focus, and I'm not trying to have any air bubbles or any little lint on it. That's like literally one of my pet peeves. Every time I put on a screen protector and I'm trying to make it very clean and sleek, there's always that one little bubble or that one little lint that had to get in the screen protector. So I'll be right back. This is the best that I can do right now. If you guys see any air bubbles, I am so sorry. So I'm just gonna set the watch like this, and to turn it on, I'm going to be pressing this button. Okay, use your iPhone to set this Apple Watch up. Allow. And set up for myself. Your Apple Watch is paired. Set up Apple Watch. Which wrist do you want to wear your Apple Watch? So I'm gonna wear it on my left, the opposite hand, so it'll be less likely to get damaged. Remember that. Always use your opposite hand when you wear your watches. Set up activity, since I do want to use this as a workout watch and everyday watch. Keep your Apple Watch up to date for the latest features. You'll receive a notification for updates are installed and blah blah blah. Continue. Set up later. I don't want to use Apple Pay on my watch. Continue. Yes, I'm a type 1 diabetic. Need to have the alerts on. Install available apps. I'm gonna install all for now and delete a few later. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. I don't know which one to choose. Which one is more common? This looks more fun, but this looks more organizing. So I'm gonna just use this one and just see how that goes. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would while you're waiting. Learn more about your Apple Watch. Weather like to send you notifications. Yes, allow, because I need to know the weather. But ooh, this is how it looks. Okay, what do I do? Okay. Okay. I don't know what else to do with this. Like, what do I do? Oh, okay. It moves like this. With this part right here, you move it like this. Ooh. Okay, let me stop. Ooh, okay. My little face. I don't know what to do with that. Okay, let me try something that's like more convenient. About camera. Oh, I can use this to help me take pictures. Right now, I'm currently using my laptop as a charger, but I want to show you guys how this looks when you charge it. It makes that ding noise, and it looks like that when you charge it. Right now, I am updating it to the Watch 8.7. So this is how it's looking right now. And I had also bought a new watch band because this one isn't my style. This is definitely more of my style. So I'll have this one linked down below for you guys. But I did get this from Amazon. I have the case portion on. Then I'm just going to be sliding this inside. And once it clicks, that means it's secured. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it clicks when it does that. So far, this is how it looks. And now I'm just going to be putting it on. So you guys, I absolutely love this watch so much. And if you guys want to have this background on your Apple Watch, you have to be following me on Instagram and DM me if you guys want this background. So far, this is what I have on it, just that background. I have Spotify on here, and I have the Bible app on my phone so I can read some scriptures. This also tracks my heart rate, and it actually works because I was holding my breath and the rate was going down, so I'm like, okay, let me breathe now. My heart rate is 105 BPM. I think that's like the most accurate it can go, or if it's just like 1% accurate, I'm not sure. And the sound on this actually works so good. I would call somebody, but there's nobody I can call. I'm back in my regular filming area, and I absolutely love my watch so much. Like, I didn't know that I was gonna be this much in love with it. And keep in mind, I'm just now filming this video, and I've been having this watch for about a week and a half, almost 2 weeks now. So the self-control really improved, because if I was like 18 or younger, or maybe 19 or younger, I would have been like, forget this video, I'm just gonna open it now. But no. And one more thing I want to show you guys is that I bought another accessory for the watch besides this one. I did buy another one. This is how it looks. It also comes with a link remover as well, which I'll do all this later because I don't have time. One thing I can say about this Apple Watch band is that it's very sturdy. It's like, it's hard for you to unmagnify it. It's like not coming off at all, so thank God for that. And yeah, this is the case for the other watch. It's blingy. Y'all know how I am with the bling. I'm like all about bling 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 bling. This is how it looks. I'm not trying to undo it yet because I'm not wearing it yet, and I like keeping my stuff really nice and fresh and clean. I will have the link for this exact band in case down below for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if it helped you guys. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to join the harmony, join the familia. And I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.